Every day, money moves everywhere. Through payroll apps, coffee shop registers, Amazon carts, Zillow deals, Uber rides, side hustles, and late-night buy-now clicks. And Duke keeps wondering, if money is moving all the time, why does it never stop at his house? He tried the usual nonsense. Work harder, stay quiet, be good, hope somebody notices. But money doesn't care who's the most obedient dog in the room. It follows rules. And once Duke figured that out, the whole game changed. Rule 1. Money notices the dog it can see. Duke used to think being useful was enough. Do great work. Stay humble. Wait his turn. Bad strategy. Because people don't pay the best dog. They pay the dog they remember. If Duke fixes fences but nobody knows he fixes fences, he stays broke. If another dog posts before and after photos, gets tagged by neighbors, and has 3 good reviews, that dog gets the job. That's not vanity, that's visibility. So Duke changes the plan. He practices one clear intro. I'm Duke. I help local businesses get more customers with short-form content. Not a messy life story. Not awkward rambling. One clean sentence. Then he starts showing up, posts a quick tip, shares a result, comments on other people's work, replies to messages. Not for attention, for repetition. Because when people see Duke 5 different times, they stop asking, "Who's that?" and start thinking, "Oh right, Duke does that." Rule 2. Envy is just a badly wrapped goal. Then Duke sees another dog buy a condo. Another one takes a vacation to Miami. Another one gets leaner, richer, calmer, somehow all at once. And yeah, Duke feels it. That ugly little sting. Most dogs waste that feeling. They say he got lucky. Her parents helped. That's probably fake. But Duke finally uses envy the smart way. He asks, "What exactly bothers me here? Is it the condo? Or the fact that the other dog has savings? Is it Miami? Or the fact that he has freedom and no panic when rent is due?" That changes everything. Because envy stops being poison once Duke translates it into a target. Not, "I want his life." More like, "I want a 6-month emergency fund. I want a better paying skill. I want to stop living paycheck to paycheck." Now Duke has something real to chase. Rule 3. Wait before you swipe. Duke also had a bad habit. Rough day? Buy takeout. Bored? Order gadgets. Saw a flash sale? Suddenly he needed new sneakers, a desk lamp, and a blender. That's how money disappears. Not in one dramatic explosion. In 50 tiny leaks. So Duke makes one rule. No instant buying. If it's small, he waits a few hours. If it's medium, one day. If it's big, a full week. And something weird happens. Half the stuff dies in the wait. That jacket? Didn't need it. That kitchen gadget? Would have used it twice. That productivity subscription? Just guilt with a monthly fee. A little waiting saves Duke from a lot of dumb spending. Rule 4. Keep some of the bones. This one is boring, which is exactly why it works. Duke learns that earning money is one skill. Keeping money is another. So every time money comes in, a piece of it stays with Duke. Before rent. Before snacks. Before random nonsense, even if it's just 5 or 10%. Because a dog with no savings is one bad week away from chaos. Flat tire? Problem. Vetbil? Problem. Slow month? Huge problem. But a dog with a stash of bones can breathe. That's what savings really buy first. Not luxury. Space. Rule 5. Money loves boring dogs. This is where most dogs quit. They want the montage. The breakthrough. The one move that changes everything by Friday. But Duke learns the truth. Money likes boring dogs. The dogs who post even when it's quiet. Who save every month. Who improve one skill at a time. Who send one more email, make one more call, finish one more job well. No fireworks. No viral miracle. Just reps. A better portfolio. A better reputation. Better habits. Better odds. That's how Duke starts winning. So here's what Duke learned. Be visible. Use envy as information. Wait before spending. Keep some bones. And trust repetition more than hype. Because money doesn't go to the loudest dream. It goes to the dog with a system. And Duke finally has one.